Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that time of the year again when we are staying hydrated, moisturized, and we are minding our business, okay? Well, we're doing all of that all year round, right? But in the fall, we have to take extra precautions because our skin gets dry. Just take a look at how my creamy whipped shea butter just melts into my skin, y'all. Nice and velvety soft. So if you want to learn how to make your own batch, then just keep on watching. Jumping right into the video, guys, I'm first starting off with showing you the things that you will need to make your very own creamy batch of whipped shea butter that smells great, feels great, and that you can use on your skin and on your hair. I have natural hair, so I use this on my hair every time I wash and to moisturize. So, all right, so without further ado, we're going to jump right in. You need 100% pure African shea butter. Mine is already the creamy version that I got from CVS. It makes it easier to blend, so that's why I prefer getting this kind. You can use any shea butter that you want, but I use this kind. I also have some Jamaican black castor oil, the rest of my olive oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and coconut oil. And you can add whatever scented oils for your choice, whether lavender, rose, whatever essential oils you want to use to make it smell good. I also have an old container from a Tree Hut scrub that I washed out in order to put my shea butter in when it's all done and creamy. You also want to have a tablespoon to just measure the oils in, and a spatula to help you getting the products off the sides of the bowl. You also want to have your bowl, your aluminum bowl, and your mixer ready. I use an electric mixer. It just makes things a whole lot faster and easier. So let's get started adding the ingredients. Okay, so as you can see, I have emptied out my 8 ounces of the creamy shea butter into my bowl. And to that, I'm just going to be adding about a tablespoon. You can measure about a tablespoon of the black castor oil, about a tablespoon of the jojoba oil, same for the vitamin E oil, and same thing for our olive oil. I'm just going to empty that in. There wasn't much left in there. And I'm just going to get a nice scoop of our coconut oil. Put a little extra in there. Okay, and now I just want to add my scented oils. This is like a rose oil. So I'm adding quite a bit of that. And there's also a lavender and lilac oil that I'm going to be adding to this. You know, I want it to smell nice. I won't only be using it on my skin. I'm also going to be using it on my hair. So we just want it to smell really nice. Okay. And now that we have got all of our ingredients in our bowl, it's time to mix. Okay guys, and there you have it. A nice new creamy batch of my whipped shea butter. I hope you guys try this at home for yourself. Let me know if you try it, or the different kinds of oils that you might use if you're already used to making your own whipped shea butter, and I can try it in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.